Now we introduce the working handle for SPAR 600. This is skin scrubber. This is hydrodermabrasion handle and the tips. And this is the microdermabrasion handle and the tips. This is the BIO working handle, and this is the ultrasonic working handle. And this is the spray mix gun and the oxygen injector and the PDT light. First, you have to pull away the switch. And adjust the suitable tightness.
Others the same.
When everything is ready, tie it. And then press the switch. It's okay. Now we install the PDT lights. Before installation, we have to loose the screw. Use a tool. And then put the PDT lights inside the machine. And then tie it. You can adjust the PDT light to the suitable position. And then tie it. The same as others. Now we install the other working handle. The oxygen injector and the spray mix gun are using the same hole. This hole. Now we install the spray mix gun first. Before installation, we have to make sure this button, this position is up. This position. And then insert. You will hear a sound. And then when you want to change to the oxygen injector handle, you have to press this button like this, and then change the working handle. Make sure the position is up, and then insert. Now we install the PDT light. You can see there are 4 holes in this working handle, and this is 4 holes. Then match this position and then insert. Finally, you can tie it. And now install the skin scrubber working handle. You can see there are 2 holes, and then match this hole. And before installation, we have to match the position also. Then insert. Tie it. Now we install the hydrodermabrasion handle. Before installation, we have to match the big tube to the big hole. Insert, and the small tube, insert the small hole. When you want to change to the diamond dermabrasion handle, we have to press this black button, and then the same as the last one. Then we change to the diamond dermabrasion handle. The same, the big tube to the big hole. And then the small tube, insert the small hole. And then tie it. Now we install the BIO working handle. You will see there are 4 tips inside the hole, and then we have to match to the hole. And match the position, and then insert. You hear a sound. When you want to pull out this working handle, we have to press this button. And the last working handle, ultrasonic. And there are 5 tips inside the hole, and then you should match the same. And then insert. You hear a sound too. Then when you want to pull out this working handle, you have to press this button, and then you will see all finished. When you want to clean the wastewater bottle, we have to use this tube, and then insert to the hole, and then turn. You will see the wastewater is coming out. And then when it's finished, we have to close this button and then press the black button. This is the small wastewater bottle, and for this wastewater clean, we have to use the towel, press the button like this, and then wastewater will come out from the button. Now we open the machine. We will enter into the screen like this, and then enter. You will see different functions on the screen, and the first one is the hydrodermabrasion and the microdermabrasion handle. The second one is BIO, oxygen injector, spray mist gun, ultrasonic, skin scrubber, and the PDT light. You can select the bottle here and adjust the time. And this is the BIO function. You can adjust the intensity here, increase or decrease, and then adjust the time, and then stop. Others are the same. And now we choose the PDT light. You can adjust the intensity, mode, and the color, working time by yourself, depend on your customer, and then stop. The first step, we can use the skin scrubber. Now we choose the function on the screen. It can be chargeable or using without power line are no problem. Now we start the treatment. Before doing the treatment, we can use some water on the face and then start. Normally, we will choose the mode 1. Next step is the microdermabrasion handle. Before doing the treatment, we have to choose the bottle on the screen. Now we choose bottle 3. And you could adjust the vacuum and the water level beside the machine. You will see the vacuum and the water level. Now we start the microdermabrasion treatment. And the next step, we use the hydrodermabrasion handle. The same as microdermabrasion handle, before doing the treatment, we have to choose the water bottle. The next step is the spray Mexican working handle. Before doing the treatment, we have to add some solution inside the handle. And then start the treatment. You can adjust the water level behind the working handle. Now start. Now we start the oxygen injector treatment. Normally we will choose mode 1. And then start. The next step is the BIO working handle. Before doing the treatment, we have to put the gel on the face. Now we start the BIO treatment. For the intensity, normally we will start from low level. If your client can accept, you can increase the intensity step by step. Now we start the ultrasonic treatment. Before doing the treatment, we have to put the gel on the face too. And you can adjust the intensity by yourself. The last step is the PDT light. Start the treatment. You can see there are different colors for option. And then different modes for option.